Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Autowatch Ghost-II on this really lovely 2012 Range Rover Evoque petrol. How the system works is if someone wants to jump in and start the vehicle, you'll actually notice that the gearbox won't actually lift. So let's just start the vehicle. Vehicle started. As you notice, gearbox will not lift. So on here we've done a basic push sequence disarm procedure. So we've done the cruise control cancel button 4 times just for video purposes. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, we get a double flash from the hill descent light. There you go. And now you can see the gearbox is now lifted. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. Then you can select a gear and obviously drive it away. So what I'll do now is I'll turn off the ignition, but this time I'll wait for it to immobilise. And I'll do the push sequence. You can actually see the gearbox actually lift up. So there it goes, should be armed now. So let's just start the vehicle. Vehicle started, gearbox hasn't come up. As you can see, vehicle's running. So now I'm going to put the push sequence in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to get a double flash from the hill descent. There you go, and it started to lift. Really simple, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wants to take it for a service, this is straightforward, and you can place it in valet mode. And the way you do that is obviously you don't need to start it this time. So main ignition on, go through your disarm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch the hill descent flash twice. There you go. And then do the cancel button five times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And wait for confirmation by the hill descent. There you go. This is now in valet mode. So that means when I turn it off, leave it. Well, as soon as I turn it off and then try and start it, you actually see it will just come up straight away. So let's just start the vehicle. There you go, it's come up straight away. Okay, when you get the vehicle back, to take it out of valet mode, as always, just main ignition on, disarm push sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 4, which we're going to change for the customer, double flash, and now it's out of valet mode. When I turn off the ignition now, within 10 seconds or less, it will activate. So if I start it again this time, you'll see gear select will not come up until I put my code in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a hill descent to flash twice, which is just done now. And there you go. Really simple, really straightforward. Also on here, there is a card that should you forget your code, there is a push sequence disarm procedure with a specific code for this. Should that happen, just give me a call. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.